As parents, we are often very busy, so sometimes it is convenient to give our child a tablet while we are doing our daily chores. However, we feel a little guilty, because deep down we know how harmful screens can be: poor eyesight, delayed learning, unsociability, frequent boredom, etc. In your defense, it must be said that there weren't many solutions that could match the addiction to screens. Early education DIY 3D puzzle is inspired by the famous learning method of Dr. Montessori, which is today recognized worldwide for its superiority over traditional teaching to develop the full potential of the child. An equally formidable method to get rid of screens.